Welcome to AI Skill Hub, your integrative learning platform designed to help you build real, usable AI skills. In a world where AI is advancing at lightning speed, we go beyond traditional courses. AI Skill Hub blends continuous microlearning, in-application guidance, and user-generated knowledge so that learning becomes part of doing, not something separate. Whether you're new to AI or a working professional, our platform adapts with you. AI is advancing at a breathtaking pace. New tools and major updates emerge almost daily, creating a sense of urgency and overwhelm for even the most tech-savvy professionals. But it's not just about keeping up with the headlines. It's about knowing how to apply these tools in real-world work. And that's where many professionals get stuck. There's no shortage of content, endless articles, tutorials, and announcements, but rarely the kind of guidance that helps you translate that information into action on the job. Even when you're deep into using a tool, support is often missing in the moment you need it most. There's no just-in-time guidance, no AI to guide you through your actual task. Traditional learning formats haven't evolved fast enough. Long courses aren't suited for the dynamic, bite-sized way we consume and apply information today. We need micro-learning, multi-format options, and interaction, not just passive watching. And ultimately, if learning isn't directly linked to real results, like greater productivity, creativity, or business outcomes, it starts to feel like theory, not transformation. AISkillHub.ai is not just another learning site. It's a living ecosystem designed for how people actually learn in today's fast-paced AI world. At its core is community. You don't just learn from static content, you co-create it. Generate micro-learning lessons, share interactive explanations, and engage in meaningful discussions that spark deeper understanding. When we learn together, we grow faster. But we also know structure matters. That's why we've brought together expert-created content in a wide range of formats, from micro-lessons and curated learning paths to podcasts, articles, and virtual classrooms. Learn at your own pace, in your preferred format. And when you're actually applying AI tools, you're not alone. The built-in AI chatbot is ready 24/7 to answer questions, while the Chrome extension gives you step-by-step support right inside the tools you're using. AI Skill Hub is your companion in this journey. Whether you're just starting out or looking to sharpen your edge, it adapts to your needs and grows with the technology. This is AI learning reimagined for real life, real work, and real results. Are you ready to take the next step in your AI journey? Visit AISkillHub.ai and create your free account to begin learning today. Explore expert-led and rapidly growing library of microlearning, practical tutorials, and real-time in-application AI guidance while using powerful tools like ChatGPT, MidJourney, and Claude AI, and much more. Join a global community where knowledge is co-created and learning never stops. And if you're ready to go further, build your own branded AI-powered learning website, mobile learning app, or intelligent chatbot tutor with Instancy.ai. Let's build the future of AI skills, both technical and human. As AI transforms every industry, the ability to adapt, collaborate, and apply AI thoughtfully is no longer optional. Now is the time to gain the essential skills you need to thrive in the AI era. Thanks for watching and your interest in advancing learning using AI. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and stay tuned